Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're cooking kangaroo. Look at it. This is my first kangaroo. We never had kangaroo before in the studio. I'm thinking about it. My brain is overtime. It's I don't know how to describe it. It's like with the crocodile. It has its own flavor. It's not beef or lamb smell or anything like that. It does have that pronounced darker flavor smell that's coming through. That
venison?
No, it's not venison, because there's some light hints of almost like a fish smell as well. You smell it. It's not gamey. It doesn't smell gamey, but it's wild kangaroo. They don't farm kangaroo. It smells like fish. Now I smelled it for the second time. It smells like fish. I was researching kangaroo, of course, but did you hear that there are actually kangaroo-tarians? The kangaroo-tarians are like people that only eat kangaroo because it is apparently a sustainable meat, because they don't farm kangaroos. It's good for land, stuff like that, and it's lean meat, so it's also the best kind of meat that you could eat for your own health, they say. So people, they are like not vegetarian or Australian, but kangaroo-tarian. Weird, right? Well, we should marinate this, and I heard we should grill it like a steak. Otherwise it gets tough and leathery, and there's not a lot of fat in there, not intermuscular fat. So we really want that light, almost like a steak sear on it. For the marinade, we're going to be starting off by chopping fine some garlic and some fresh chopped parsley, some fine chopped sage, some fresh lemon juice, some olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper. We'll mix that up. We'll let our kangaroo marinate, and in the meantime, we're going to be roasting our beets. We'll put it in some tin foil. It's a little bit too much. You can do with a little less tin foil. We'll put these over direct heat on the grill grate. Next up, we're going to be peeling our sweet potatoes. We're going to get the skin off. The skin is just too tough to eat. We'll cut this up into fries. Pour a little bit of olive oil on them, some salt and pepper. And now we're going to grill them up over indirect heat. Our sweet potato fries are done. I just want to shortly grill them to give that little bit of crispy char on the outside. Wow. We're going to put our fries over direct heat just to grill them up real short. And they're done. Ooh, hot. The neighborhood kids are already climbing the fences because of the beautiful smells that we got going on in this grill area. Cool it, kids, cool it. Now we are going to sear our beautiful kangaroo steak fillets. There we go. We just want to grill them real short, 3 minutes on each side, and they're done. We want to make sure we keep our eye on the temperature. 48 degrees Celsius, then you take them off. This one is at 48.5, so that's done. This one as well. And when they're all seared up, we're going to let them rest for around 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to make a nice vinaigrette made of mustard, olive oil, a little bit of lime juice, some salt and pepper. We'll start with the juice of half a lemon, 2/3 olive oil, half a tablespoon of mustard, a tablespoon of honey, and stir it up. Time to take off our roasted beets and peel them. Super hot roasted beets. Look at that, look at that color. Super cool. Unlike the normal red beet that you're expecting, this is yellow inside. And beets come in all kinds of colors. It's so cool to work with different colors. Absolutely amazing. I love this one. Look at how the color changes throughout. Now it's time to start plating up. I'm going to start with a bed of rucola. Nice and peppery lettuce. Crumble up some goat cheese, Spread it out. I love cheese. Especially goat cheese. Is that because we're Dutch guys, Marcel?
If you don't love cheese, you get deported.
Probably. You probably get deported, yeah, for sure.
21 Savage.
Like 21 Savage. We'll put our beet on the side. There we go. Some roasted pecans. Spread them out. And now, finally, it's time to slice up our kangaroo. Let's give it a try. First time trying kangaroo. Not looking forward to that fishy smell, but who knows, maybe it's good. It's good. It's a little bit tougher than beef, but the flavor is good. Let's see if Morrison becomes a kangatarian. It's not bad.
It's not bad at all. I was expecting a gamey flavor.
It's not like deer at all.
No.
It's more like beef.
But now I taste a little bit of fish.
That's it. In the end, it's there again. You think the kangaroos are secretly eating shrimp? They're stealing the shrimp from the Barbie. We're gonna ask the Aussies. Well, how come kangaroo tastes like shrimp? Sorry guys, I don't want to insult you, but the kangaroo tastes way better than expected. I must be honest. It tastes better than expected, right, Marcel?
Yeah.
And I really like it. It's good. We'll slice up our fillet and put it on our plate. And with the magic touch of our vinaigrette, we're going to turn this dish into a Michelin star menu. I got my special tools out because this is one of those dishes again that looks just so good. And you got all these ingredients that I want to bite in together and see if the flavors blend together. So, special occasion, special knife and a tool set. A little bit of meat, a little bit of beet. That rhymes. There we go. You get the pepper from the rucola. The beetroot is sweet. The goat is really salty, heavy in flavor, and the kangaroo, it just stands out. It works really well in this condition. This is really a nice dish. It works almost perfect. We try some more. Always a good sign, right? Kangaroo is a bit more chewy than beef or lamb, especially farm-raised lamb. What am I saying? Lamb is always farm-raised. But you get what I'm saying. It's a bit tougher in structure. But the flavors are really good and it works really well in a dish like this. I like kangaroo. And how about these sweet potatoes? So good. They just sweeten up even more when you grill them. With a little bit of salt and pepper and olive oil, we worked it into a magic orange stick. Do you like my magic orange stick, Marcel? Here, give it a try. It has more earthy flavors because of the mixture of the goat cheese and the beetroot, and the goat cheese really has a strong, powerful flavor. It kind of brings out that gaminess in the kangaroo. Every animal has its own flavor. Kangaroo, snake, crocodile, it's its own flavor and you can't really explain it until you tasted it. Then you only then know what it tastes like. But the challenge is to turn it into a recipe, into something that is a whole. And you're trying to find ingredients that go well with it, and a dish like this really goes well with kangaroo. So I'm hoping you guys are gonna give it a try. Thank you guys for watching our recipe video. Give us a big thumbs up and a comment down below, and a special shout out to all the Aussies for raising our kangaroos so we can eat them for you guys. A big thank you to all our Patreons and YouTube members. See you guys next time. Until then, eat smakelijk and keep on grilling.